Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Rancho 3.5-inch suspension system for the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL. This is an awesome system that allows for you to add tires up to 35 inches as well as enhance your ride on the road or on the trails. Rancho has thrown some new technology at this suspension system that puts it over the top. The Rancho RS 9000 XL shocks with brand new dynamic rebound spring or DRS technology. Now what does that mean? The DRS technology is a unique internal system that includes precisely tuned metal spring and fortified interior construction. As the shock goes into the rebound, it absorbs the impact, giving you a smoother ride. DRS also helps give you more control, reduce body roll, and prevent rod overextension inside the shock. With a 3.5-inch sports system, you get a pair of front and rear corner-specific progressive rate coil springs that have been specifically tuned to produce superior comfort for everyday driving and amazing off-road performance. To maintain travel integrity, this system includes front 3-inch and rear 2-inch bump stop extensions, as well as front sway bar adapter brackets. While you can use the 3.5-inch sports system as is for a great ride, Rancho offers some additional control arm options for an even better on-road and off-road experience. Let's start with the arm geometry correction brackets. These simply keep the control arms at the factory angles to deflect road harshness as well as reduce brake dive. It also allows for you to achieve proper caster angles after adding an aftermarket lift like the 3.5-inch sports system. Overall, the arm geometry correction brackets help maximize your JL's performance, plus there's no assembly required. Another option from Rancho is the adjustable control arms like we installed on this Jeep JL. You can get even more control over your ride and adjustments with the adjustable control arms. These new upper arms allow for you to adjust caster and pinion angles on your Jeep. The adjustable control arms are heavy duty and work with Jeeps from stock to 4.5-inch lifts. Adding this on your 3.5-inch Rancho suspension system will improve the ride quality, reduce noise, vibration, and even harshness. Compared to the Geo correction brackets, you'll get a bit of a firmer ride, but you can back off and get so much travel with this system. As far as the installation of the sports suspension system goes, it's pretty straightforward, but we do rate it a 10 out of 10 and it will take you about a day to get it fully installed. If you're adding the arm geometry correction brackets, your difficulty is also a 10 out of 10 and will take you about a day. If you're adding the adjustable control arms like we did on this Jeep, your difficulty is still that top 10 out of 10, but it's going to add about a day to your installation, so you're going to want to make sure you have 2 days to get this installed. The 3.5-inch sports suspension system from Rancho for the Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited is backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase or have this product installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below because we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much again for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.